welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different with a pour. I'm going to see if I can get some cells to come up in some bright colours. So hopefully it'll work. What I've already done is I've got an MDF board here that I primed with acrylic gold paint, and now I've put a cover of gold mica with resin over the top, and then I'm going to put some colours on each end. I'm just going to swipe them to the middle using this, and that's just a large squeegee, and we'll see what happens. Now I haven't mixed up a great deal of colour. I may have not mixed up enough, but let's see how it goes. So I've got to do a line there like that. Okay, and a line there. I was using up the ends of a bottle of resin, of art resin, because I'm not over keen on art resin, because I always find it has, whatever you do with it, it has far too many bubbles in. Other people love it. It's just not suitable for me, I don't think. I don't love it. So this is a blue mica that I've mixed up in the resin. I perhaps could have used a smaller board, but I didn't think about it. This is a very pale blue. It looks like white, I think, here, but especially next to what we've got here. Okay. But it is a pale blue, and this is a opaque pigment mix that I've got from Resin 8. I love their products. I love them. As you can see, it's quite a opaque colour. So then I've got a bit of what I consider to be antique gold. It's actually called old gold. And again, this is from Resin 8. And as you know, if you've seen any of my videos recently, I love this colour. I think it goes really well. I used this in my box of lid that I did recently. I was so pleased with how it came out. Oh, look how messy I am. See what I mean? I don't know if the camera's picked this up, but this resin has got just so many bubbles in it. And I don't really know why. As I'm going to scrape this, I'm not really that worried about it not being in perfect lines, fortunately. Okay. And then I thought I'd add, I don't know why, it might overpower the whole picture. And if it does, well, there's not much I can do about that, really. I thought I'd put some black in. Now, I am going to heat this up with the heat gun first to allow this to, as you can see, I haven't put a great deal of black in. I don't know if you've noticed, I'm working on my new drip tray that I got off the off Amazon. It wasn't expensive, and I'm hoping it's going to keep me from being quite as messy as I am. See, look at all those bubbles. It's absolutely killing those bubbles. So many. Let me know in the comments if you have the same issue as me. I want to heat the whole lot up rather than just the colours that I've got. Okay, I think that's warm enough. And now using this, I'm just going to do a quick pull across it. See what happens to the middle. And the same this way. See what happens to the middle. There we go. We can do this with a bit of paper as well, but I'm not very successful at that. I know a lot of people are. They do great jobs with it. There we go. So level that out a little bit if we can. Okay. Oh, it's dripped all over that, why not, eh? Let's just wipe that off while it's still wet. It will peel off there quite easily anyway, normally. So, there we go, that's that bit done. And now what I'm going to use is I'm going to use alcohol and my trusty tile adhesive spreader. So I just want a bit of alcohol in there. And that's 99% isopropyl alcohol that I use. I don't want too much in there, it'll evaporate. I'm going to dip my little thing in there and I'm going to go around it like that. There we go. And I'm going to go inside these. My tremor's a bit bad today. Don't know why. Not had any Diet Coke or caffeine this morning. Okay, and then I'm going to go inside these as well. But all the time moving out from the centre. And the great thing about these tools is the resin just picks off so easily off these. Right, and to sew through that centre, I want some more like this, some shorter ones. You see my tremor this morning? This might be because I've got to go to hospital next week and have an op. I know. So this is cured now. It's been curing for about 12 hours and I'm really pleased with how the cells have stayed in and not opened up and swelled. I think that's because I didn't use too much resin. I'm liking as well the fact that the blue is on one side and not on the other. I love this picture. I think it'll look great and very bright. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.